How to add Google Analytics to WordPress without plugin. Adding Google Analytics to your site helps you track your website traffic and gives valuable insight about your visitors. Let's take a look on how to add analytics tracking code to your site without a plugin. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp line admin. Log in with your username and password. Go with the mouse over Appearance and then click Theme Editor. From the right, check to find the file header.php. Click that file. Find the code I have on the screen. Here you will have to add the code from Google Analytics. Now let's go to Google Analytics. Open a new tab on the browser. Write google.com/analytics. Click Start for free. To use this service, you need to have a Google account. If you do not have it, create one. You see, I am already logged into my account. If you are not, you will be redirected to the login. After you log in, click Set up for free. Write an account name. Please leave all of this option checked or change it how you wish. Then click Next. Write the property name. Select a country or a time zone and a currency. Click Next. Answer these questions about your business. Click Create. Accept all terms of service and click I accept. Select what email communication options you want and click Save. Now select the data stream. Because we are adding on our WordPress, we will click on the web. Add your website and put a stream name. Click Create. Click on Global Site tag and copy that code. Now go to the WordPress site and, on the header.php file, put the code after the head tag, like on the screen. After this, go to the bottom of the page and click Update File. If this button does not appear, then it means you do not have writing access. You will need to connect with FTP and edit the file there, exactly like this. Now, your header has been updated. If you have any caching plugin, also clear the cache. Your site should now gather information about all visitors. We can check this if we open a new tab. Write the address of the site. Right-click on the site and click on the menu View Page Source. On the page source, on the head tag, we will see the code we just added. You just added Google Analytics on your WordPress without any plugin. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.